Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best African Pride Moisture Miracle 5 Essential Oils product, the African Pride Black Castor Miracle Hair and Scalp Sealing Oil. This hair oil is specially formulated to deliver deep hydration, scalp relief, and support healthy hair growth, making it a must-have for those with curly and coily hair types. Let's start with what makes this oil so effective. The key ingredient here is black castor oil, known for its nourishing properties that strengthen hair from root to tip. It works wonderfully as a lock moisturizer or a daily lock hair product, helping to maintain moisture and reduce breakage. Alongside black castor oil, this formula is enriched with tea tree oil, which soothes the scalp by calming itchiness and reducing flakiness. This is particularly beneficial for anyone wearing protective styles or those who experience scalp discomfort between hair appointments. But the benefits don't stop there. Soybean oil is also part of the blend, contributing to moisture retention and making hair softer and more manageable. This is a great addition for those with coarse strands who want to enhance their hair's softness and overall health. The combination of these oils locks in hydration without feeling greasy or heavy, which is ideal for daily use. Another thing to note is that this product is free from harsh ingredients like parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, and petrolatum. It's a clean, effective option from a trusted name in black hair care, offering care that respects your hair and scalp's natural needs. In terms of usage, the African Pride Black Castor Miracle Hair and Scalp Sealing Oil is easy to incorporate into your hair routine. You simply apply it daily or as needed by massaging it into your scalp and hair. It's perfect for moisturizing edges and the nape of the neck, especially if you wear styles like braids, twists, or weaves that require extra care and moisture lock. The product comes in a convenient 6 fluid ounce bottle, making it easy to handle and apply without any mess. Plus, it has a pleasant scent that freshens the scalp and hair, enhancing your overall hair care experience. Overall, this sealing oil provides a balance of hydration, scalp soothing, and growth support in one bottle. If you're looking for a versatile oil to maintain healthy curls, coils, or locks while keeping your scalp comfortable and refreshed, this product is worth trying. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews and hair care tips. See you next time.